In this video, I will guide you on how to fix TikTok not letting you follow people. If you're facing this problem, then the first thing you want to do is launch open the TikTok app on your device. Now you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Once you get here, tap on settings and privacy. Now scroll down a bit. Tap on free up space. Here tap on clear for cache, then tap on clear again. Now tap on clear for downloads and tap on clear again. This is going to refresh the TikTok app. Next thing you want to do is restart TikTok. For that, go ahead and close the TikTok application. Do that completely and then launch open TikTok and see if that fixes the issue. Next, you want to make sure that you're connected to a stable internet. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and check. Next, you want to wait if you have followed too many people. If TikTok suddenly stops you from following users, you may have hit a temporary limit. TikTok may temporarily block follows for 24 hours. This usually happens if TikTok detects any unusual activity. So for that, you want to wait for around 24 hours and avoid rapid actions. If your problem is still not fixed after 24 hours, then you can contact the TikTok support. For that, head over to TikTok profile, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner, then select settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down and find help center, select that. Now tap on chat with us. Here you want to mention your problem. Then TikTok support team will help you fix it. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.